Okay, so we do a lot of festivals. Today we're down at the Port Arlington Mussel Festival. Next month we'll be at the Herb and Chili Festival. And what we do is we prepare chicken wings with a little bit of rice bran oil and Slap Your Mama Original. Slap Your Mama Original is the most mild, it's got great flavour. We probably have too many chilies on our actual marquee and it makes everyone think that everything is hot, and that's definitely not the case. This has got a beautiful flavour, and as I said, all we do is we lightly coat it with rice bran oil by mixing it up in a stainless steel bowl, and then we sprinkle the Slap Your Mama across it, and then we cook it. If you like a salty kind of feeling, then you would add the spice after you cook, not before. But you could cook it all the same way. At home, I would do a whole chicken. I would butterfly the chicken by cutting it up in Portuguese style. A little bit of rice bran oil sprinkled on the barbecue. Amazing, healthy, inexpensive, and very, very tasty. As I said, it's French in origin.